Hey Tinley! Well, here we are at the end of kindergarten. It's not really the way we thought we were going to end the school year. I'm here in the classroom all by myself. It's so quiet and I wish you guys were here with me. But since we couldn't be together, I wanted to share with you the award that I picked for you because I wanted to recognize you for your reading. You earned the Simply Moveless Award for improving in your reading because you really came such a long way from the beginning of the year, and I saw how hard you worked and you were so determined to get this down and to move up, and I was really impressed with your improvement throughout the year. So I hope that you continue to develop a love for reading, and I hope you have a great summer. And I really do miss you guys, and I wish we could have ended our year differently, but since we couldn't, I'm going to send my love to you. Mwah! Have a great summer.